Hello, my name is Ian. I'm the service technician at Ecolawn, and today I will show you how to replace a drive shaft. Jack the machine, remove the wheels, and place the machine on jack stands. Loosen the disc support adjustment on both sides of the machine. Remove the tensioner guard. Uninstall the V-belts on the drive-to-conveyor tensioner and the blue engine guard. Remove the bolt that fastens the drive adjustment rod to the drive tensioner. Uninstall the tensioner axle, the drive V-belts from the engine pulley, and disassemble the drive tensioner. Mark on the frame where the drive shaft is positioned and remove the drive shaft. Replace the drive shaft. Reassemble the drive tensioner assembly. Install the bolt that fastens the drive adjustment rod to the drive tensioner. Affix the blue engine guard to the frame and install the drive to conveyor V-belts. Place the tensioner guard. Retighten the disc support adjustment to what it was. Install the wheels and remove the jack stands. Thank you for watching this video. If you require further technical assistance, do not hesitate to contact Ecolawn Applicator at the number or email shown on the screen. Before contacting us, have your serial number ready and be sure to register your machine on our website. The warranty may be void if the machine is not registered.